main man, Governor Kyle Brucker, and we'll be talking about telepathy. What has my bro and James got to do with snoring? Let's change the camera angle over here and talk about it. Here we go. And obviously this does not affect him. We're going to try a different approach. Covering the mouth. He just doesn't breathe for a while. I feel like this is dangerous. Telepathy. I'll keep it filming.
He's not breathing. Oh, Brian.
Brian, if you're really horny, put your left arm on your left inside thigh.
If you're gay, snore like a bear.
No, he's gay.
I knew it. Let's go to our international reporter, John.
Yeah, give us an accent report.
How you doing? Here we find the American grizzly bear. What are you doing?
What are you doing to the American grizzly bear?
American grizzly bear.
Wait.
And we're just sedating it.
Oh, did he calm down?
He's awake, the grizzly bear.